Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and I'm just out checking my nest boxes. This is a good bit of barn owl countryside, is this. All arable fields with field margins and dikes. Just a territory what the barn owl needs. Here's the nest box. I last checked this nest box on the 22nd of June and there was 4 young barn owls in the box, and 2 of the barn owls weren't ringable because they were too small. So I'm here today just to check on them again, and hopefully they'll still be 4 birds and I'll be putting rings on them. Right, so let's have a look inside this nest box. Yep, it looks like all 4 are there. Look a lot older now. I don't know if you can see, but these twigs here, these jackdaws have been in this box, and then the owls have come in and nested on top of all the jackdaw twigs. I think I'll just give this box a clean out while I'm here as well. All back in the box, it's had a clean out. There'll be a lot more room in them now, in there for them now. So yeah, all good. Thanks for watching.